I sneeze. I cough. I burp. I yawn. I hiccup. I sigh. I snore.
Grandma, can I help you?
Of course, dear. Come in.
What are you making?
I'm making soup and bread.
It smells good.
Thank you. Can you chop the carrots?
I am happy to help you.
Yes, perfect. You're a good helper.
What else can I do?
Can you set the table?
Okay, plates, forks, spoons?
Yes, and napkins too. Very good.
Dinner looks ready.
Yes, let's eat together.
Okay, Grandma.
Excuse me.
Yes?
You dropped something.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I need the dough. I sprinkle salt. I whisk the eggs. I spread butter. I squeeze a lemon. I grate cheese. I dip bread in soup.
I'm so hungry.
Me too. Let's eat.
I'm not just hungry. I'm starving.
Starving? That means very hungry?
Yes. Very, very hungry.
I walk on the pavement. I throw trash in the bin. I cross at the crosswalk. I stop at the red light. I wait for the green light. I look left and right. I stand at the bus stop. Where are you going?
I am going to the shop.
What will you buy?
I will buy bread and milk.
Can I come with you?
Yes. Let's go together.
Hi. Where are you?
I am here.
I can't see you.
I am behind you.
I see you now.
I, you, he, she, it,
We.
they. I pour water into the glass. I slice bread for toast. I stir the soup in the pot. I heat food in the microwave. I wash vegetables in the sink. I set the table for dinner. This is my family. This is me.
This is my grandfather.
Hi.
This is my grandmother.
Hi.
This is my father.
Hi.
This is my mother.
Hi.
This is my sister.
Hi.
This is my brother.
Hi.
Yesterday was a rainy day. I woke up and looked outside. The sky was gray. Rain was falling. I put on my jacket and took my umbrella. I walked to the bus stop. The ground was wet. I saw puddles on the street. A bird was sitting under a tree, staying dry. The bus came. I got on and sat by the window. Raindrops tapped on the glass. I got off near my favorite cafe. I went inside and ordered hot tea. The cafe was warm and cozy. I sat by the window and watched the rain. Rainy days are better when you are in a cozy cafe.
Excuse me.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I am lost. Is there a bank near here?
A bank? Yes, go straight, then turn left.
Go straight and turn left?
Yes, it is on the corner. You will see it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
This is a bakery. Hello. Hello. Welcome. I want bread, please. Here you go. How much? $2. Thank you. You're welcome.
I brush my hair. I put on my glasses. I tie my shoes. I check my phone. I close the window. I lock the door. I turn off the light.